Let me show you how to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you suspect some virus might have gotten on there, your phone might be acting strange, getting really hot, or weird things happening, I'm going to show you how to find any virus and delete it. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. So open up the Settings app. Let's scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps, and then scroll down until we find Safari on this list. There it is. Now, within Safari, you might have visited a website that downloaded a virus onto your phone. This is one of the most common ways that a virus could get on your phone, so let's make sure we delete out all the data. From here, we're going to scroll down to the very bottom again, tap on Advanced, and then Website Data. You'll be able to see all of the website data that has been downloaded onto your phone. I would recommend at the very bottom hitting Remove All Website Data. However, after we've done that, let's check to see if a virus has already been downloaded onto your iPhone. So we've removed everything from Safari, but it could already be in the Downloads folder of your phone. So to find that, we're going to swipe over to the app library and we're going to search for the Files app on your phone. And from here, let's tap on my iPhone and then check around this folder, but also the Downloads folder. You can see in this case, there's a virus. Basically, I just added a random file on there. Let's hit select that specific file that you might not recognize. Keep in mind, go through this. This could be things that you've legitimately downloaded. So check a bunch of them. If there's stuff that you don't recognize, just select it, hit the trash can icon. After we've done that, let's go back though. Tap on recently deleted. And from recently deleted, again, we need to go through and hit select and delete to permanently delete that file from your phone. The next thing that we will do is hop out here and we'll open up the settings. Let's go back to the very beginning of our settings here. And from the very beginning, let's tap on General and then scroll down to VPN and device management. Now, what VPN is, whereas your phone connects to a VPN server somewhere, it also basically in this setting has device management, where another third-party service, an app or a company, can manage your iPhone. So if you see anything on here, make sure you turn VPN off or delete it. Or if you see a school or work account here that you don't recognize, make sure you remove it from your phone. The next thing we will do is go back to the very beginning of the settings, tap on General, and then iPhone Storage. This shows you every single app that is on your iPhone. It's really important to make sure there are apps that you don't recognize on there, and we delete them if you don't recognize them. So what I would recommend doing instead of filtering by size, let's go to last use date, and this will show you apps that were most recently used. If you see on here a app that you didn't actually use, let's say Home Depot, for instance. If you find an app that you didn't use, but it says that you did recently use it, it could be being used by a virus or malware or something like that. So I would highly recommend tapping that delete app here and then just going through the process of deleting that from your phone. The next thing we'll do is go back to the very beginning of the settings again. So go back all the way, tap on General, and then Software Update. Within here in Automatic Updates, we want to tap on to make sure this is automatically installing updates, and we swipe down to refresh to see if there's any software updates. Again, a lot of times viruses or bugs are just basically solved with iOS updates. Basically, it patches out any kind of security risk, so update your phone to the latest version. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.